Hi! It has come to my attention that not everyone is familiar with the concept of a banana penguin. So today I'm going to do one of those 2-minute crafts videos that apparently make you famous. The only thing we need today is a banana. Make sure it's nice and curvy. Everyone knows bananas are curvy because if they were straight they would fall over. I have one banana. Step 1 is to open your banana on the correct side, on the inside of the curve. I will use a knife because my banana is a bit old. And now I can peel my banana. In one peel over the back and 2 more over the front. Now comes the difficult part. I actually have to take a bite of a banana on camera, which is always dangerous. Maybe a little more. And this is where the magic happens. You flip over the peel and you will end up with a banana penguin. Say hi. Hi. I hope we've all learned something today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.